Are you interested in unique properties? Or maybe you're just looking for a home on property. Either way, you're gonna wanna stick around today as we tour you through this beautiful, unique property in Vail, Arizona.
Let's go.
Welcome back, or if you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith, and this is my husband,
Dustin Smith.
And we've helped hundreds of people just like you move to
and from
Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we've got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and let us help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so as we mentioned, we are out here at a super unique property in Vail, Arizona today, and we are actually going to take you on a tour inside the house. But before we do, let's talk a little bit about the area. So this house is located in the northern section of Vail, so we are north of I-10, but we're still very close to all the amenities that you would want to be by. We have Safeway grocery store within 10 minutes of here. There's fast food options, there's dining options. We're really close to Del Lago over here, so if you like to golf, there is a golf course there. There's also a restaurant, so you can sit down and eat.
Enjoy that restaurant a lot.
Absolutely.
We don't usually mention this one a lot, but Arizona Pizza Company and Taco Giro.
Yes.
So good Mexican food out here too. At least I enjoy Taco Giro. I think they have great flavors there.
Absolutely, and that's gonna be within about 10 minutes as well. Montgomery's Saloon over there too. They have some great options, especially for like burgers. You wanna sit down and grab a beer real quick. It's a cool, atmosphere too. So, between that, you definitely have all your shopping and dining close by. Anything that's not close, you can go over to the Rita Ranch area, about 15 minutes from here, and there's Walmart, Home Depot, more restaurant, fast food options, some shopping, and then within 20-25 minutes, there's a Costco. So your overall location for this is great, and we're close to lots of outdoor recreation as well, right?
Yeah, you have Saguaro National Park nearby. I mean, we've brought you guys here in other videos if you've ever watched our channel before. There's a couple access points to the Saguaro National Park and some great trails to hit. There's a lot of horseback riding nearby. I actually grew up in this neighborhood, and that was one of the reasons why my parents wanted to move out here. They wanted horses. They wanted places to ride. So we're not too far away from the Pantano Wash. We're not too far away from Cienega Creek.
Oh yeah.
So there's a lot of opportunities to go hiking, horseback riding. In fact, this is horse property right here too.
It is.
Yeah, and we'll get into a price in a minute, but in this price range, there's really not many options in this area.
This is one of 3 houses available that is actually horse property currently on the market.
Yeah.
Under 500,000. So
and it stands out among them for sure.
And then this is, because we are in Vail, we are part of the Vail School District, so A+ rated school. It's top school district in Tucson. If you want more information on that, we always say check out niche.com, greatschools.org. Those are both really good resources.
Absolutely. So another thing too is this property actually has a lot of openings around it. It's backed up to a wash, so it's a nice little highway for wildlife. You might have some javelinas or coyotes go through there eventually.
Maybe the occasional deer.
Yeah, maybe the occasional deer. Acts as an extra buffer from people building a home up against you. There are 2 adjacent lots that have never been developed next to it.
Yeah.
And my understanding is they are actually owned by the previous owner here still. So that might be an opportunity to expand the property if you wanted to as well. And gorgeous mountain views. I don't know if you can capture that real quick.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't really show it in the video as well as when you are here in person, but the Rincon mountain views from here are just stunning.
Yeah, and there's not much in the way of those either.
Yeah, and so this house, you have to be okay when you get into these more unique properties or homes on acreage or, away from neighbors. Sometimes you're gonna be down a dirt road in Vail. So this property is down the dirt road a little ways, probably quarter of a mile.
Yeah,
if that.
Half mile.
It's
not too bad, but it can be pretty bad after a monsoon.
Definitely something to be wary of. But yeah, this house is situated on 1 acre. It is currently listed at $415,000. With that, you're gonna get 3 bedrooms and a den, 2 bathrooms.
The half bath, the attic space.
Oh yeah.
Finished attic.
Yeah, it's got a finished attic. It has a basement,
Yeah.
which is very unique to Tucson and just Arizona in general. So you may be coming from an area where everybody has basements, but that is not common here in Arizona. So this is definitely a unique property. And if you can't tell from behind us, we'll get a different angle here. But this is an A-frame, which is also very unique to Tucson. You don't really see anything like this. You might see it as you get into more of the areas like Pine Top and Show Low, where they have like a lot of snow and they have those A-frame houses with the metal roofs. It's just truly unique for this area.
Speaking of metal roof, this is actually the standing seam metal roof, which, I've been told by roofers that's like a 50-year roof, so could last you a really long time.
Yep.
All right, so as I mentioned, I grew up over here. In fact, my best friend, the best man at my wedding, actually lived catty corner to this property for a long time. So we were, always around this area. And this house was built in 1980. And I don't believe it was finished at the time, but the exterior was finished. It used to have like a shingle rooftop that came down right there, but no one was ever here. So we used to refer to it as the haunted house, and stories like that went through all the neighborhood kids. Everyone had like a different story and something to say about it. If I'm ever talking to you about this house and you've got questions, I probably could tell you a couple fun stories, but we'll leave that for person-to-person conversations.
Absolutely. So now it has come time for us to take you through this truly unique, one-of-a-kind house. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
So as you first come in the door, right off over here, we have a powder room, half bath. This area over here, it could be a flex space. I'd say some people would use it as like a formal dining room. You could have it as like a studio, office space, game room, formal living room area here, great room. Check out that really cool fish tank that they built into the wall. I love it. And the kitchen is gorgeous. Like, this kitchen is very large. You have the stainless steel appliances, you have the rough edge granite, you have the two-tone between the, you have the blue on the cabinets here, white cabinets here, beautiful tile backsplash. I love it. Around the corner, you're gonna have the laundry area. You have a nice big pantry here. And a den office space over here as well. Now come check out the basement. This is actually fully finished, 1,030 square feet. The first door over here is just gonna be like utility area, water heater, that kind of stuff. You have a full bathroom over here. A very large bedroom. Look at this. When I first saw this, I thought that was the primary. And this one is truly unique. Between the paint and this bed frame situation they have going on here, it's really neat. And the purple carpet. And then down this hall over here, it could be, timeout corner. I'm just kidding. If you have like one of those like basketball arcade games, maybe set up like a ping pong wall table.
I can see that working.
Yep, a lot of options there. All right, now we have to go upstairs. Welcome to the primary suite. This space is enormous, but check out this bathroom. And please focus in on this beautiful rain shower head. Don't tell Dustin, but I think I'm gonna have him install one for us. Yeah, and this is just so spacious. You have a large closet here. You've got 2 separate areas that have could be like a little reading nook. Sit out, look at the beautiful mountains around here. And we're not finished yet, so we're gonna head up, so bear with us. Look at this. This is such a cool, fun, unique spot. They've set up like this little artist table right here, looking out on the beautiful desert and Rincon Mountains. Go take a look. overall one of the most unique and interesting properties I think you're gonna find in the Vail area. All right, so thank you for sticking around with us and touring this truly unique property in Vail, Arizona. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in or around the Tucson area, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email. We would love to be the ones that help you make that smooth move to Tucson. And also, if you haven't already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so we can keep you updated on the current market in Tucson, Arizona.
As always, thank you guys for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.
See you next time.